So you get a starting line set up. You could use anything. We're using the string. Your javelin.
This is my javelin case. I've had it for decades. Take very good care of my javelin.
Very nice. Okay. Straw javelin throw, first attempt. Now we're going to use the meter tape to measure the distance of the throw.
I'm going to put my finger where the 150 was.
We're going to stretch out that meter tape.
It's another 150. So it's 300 altogether so far.
Yep.
It's right at that line. So now I'm going to pull it up again. I'm going to measure to the front tip of the straw. This line
The front of the straw.
is 50, another 50. I'm a little past the 50. So that's 300 already, plus another 50. 350.2 it looks like. 350.2 was my first throw.
That means there's 2 extra millimeters, right?
2 extra millimeters, yes. 2
Okay.
extra millimeters, 2 little lines past the 50.2.
Just want to make sure.
Once you have a method that works best for you, repeat it 4 times and take your 3 best throws.